Hey guys, I just want to set this video up real fast for you. This was just is a clip from our first live. We had a full live transmission broadcast about a week and a half ago, depending on the time of this video. It was 6 hours. We got to watch the traders place trades. We got to understand a little bit about their strategy, their background, their experience. We got to see the traders visibly, understand their names, who they are, real people, real trades, real profits happening here at this company. We got to meet both of the owners who shared their vision for this company, Waskar, and our other owner, Edwin, who only speaks Spanish. But I believe that you're going to really appreciate this video.
Ron, we have our friend from Poland who was just coming into our call, and we wanted to welcome him. And just we have Justin Holiday also that's joining. So I will let you do the honors for introducing you, and then Justin for us.
Excellent. Okay, I appreciate that. Well, I get the opportunity to introduce Justin. Wow, what can I say here? Justin is an amazing leader. All right. I mean, it's just Justin. He's got a special place in my heart. He actually came into a project that I was building several years ago, and very quickly established himself as a leader. Very similar to Waskar in the way that he leads. Justin is more to the point. Okay, I like that about him. He's not going to tell you, yeah, that's okay if it's not okay. Like this is how it is. Get it done. Let's move on. And so I love that about Justin. But he always does everything from his heart. He loves people. He loves helping people. And so it's just one of those friendships that when I first met Justin, I didn't know that we were going to become good friends over the last several years here. And so when I had the opportunity, I was actually on a call with Justin. We were talking about another project he was doing, and that he was looking for something for his team here. And I brought this project up, and it was kind of funny, because I was the first one Waskar presented it to, and so as I'm evaluating it, I like to run it by different leaders and friends that I have that I know have experience in these industries. And so I was talking to Justin about it, and he goes, wait, I think that's what we're looking for. And I said, okay, I can get you more information. At this point, we had no information, really. I mean, it was like we hadn't even really started anything. And so he's like, I need to get you to talk to my business partner. And I said, okay, that's not a problem. We could do that tomorrow or the next day. He calls me back 20 minutes later. He's like, no, we need to do this now. We need to talk. I need to know more information. And so Justin's always been that, hey, if he sees something that it catches his eye, he wants to get involved. He wants to do his due diligence first. Let me put it that way. He wants to know more. Tell me more about this so I can decide if this is something that's good for my family, for my friends, my colleagues. And so I was really excited that, I had the opportunity to share with Justin right out of the gate and get his take on it. And Justin, it was probably your response to that first conversation that was one of the biggest impacts on me. Really was, wow, okay, this is something that is really going to catch the eye and ear of people out there. And so it was exciting to be able to make that first introduction, between you and Waskar. But I want to thank you actually for your friendship, for your leadership, and everything that you've done for me over the years, as well as for this company here, not just the Conversion Pros, but Cash FX as well. And you've been with us over at the Conversion Pros since, about the time we opened the company. But if you're on Justin's team, wow, that's awesome. I'm not here to promote just Justin's team, and this is not what that's about. But if you're looking, well, how do I put this? I couldn't ask for a better leader to build this with, to bring to the table and say, Waskar, this is a guy that we can count on. This is someone that you can ask him. There was a interview or a tape, I should say, that I watched several years ago, and it was from Pastor Mark Gorman, and it was about getting a letter to Garcia. And getting this letter to Garcia simply means that the general in the army was trying to find someone to go through enemy lines and develop or to deliver a message to Officer Garcia behind enemy lines. And he couldn't find anybody that could just grab it and go. He was looking for one person So not ask me how to do it, but to find your path, to help develop the system, to help develop that path to get the job done. And that's what I see in Justin here. So I'm sure there's a lot of great leaders that are on this call here tonight, and I don't want to take anything from you. I look forward to working with you guys and meeting you guys. Right now, I'm talking about Justin. Justin, to me, you have been and are that person. You are that person that can get the message to Garcia, that can make changes in this world in a positive light. And so for that, I thank you for your friendship, and I thank you for the leadership that you've expressed here with CashFX.
Wow, awesome, Justin, give it up.
I mean, what do you say after that introduction? Wow, I'm humbled, Ron. I appreciate it, and I'm very. I mean, you guys know, very excited to be here. We were looking for something just like this. We were looking for something like this to add to our portfolio for 3 solid months, and we looked at several different businesses, and nothing really caught our attention. There's a lot of phony, programs out there that are built to last 6 to 8 months, and yeah, if you get in early, you're going to make some money and that sort of stuff. But as you know, we're all trying to build long-term relationships. We're all trying to take this skill set of networking and these networks and these followings that we've built, and we're trying to find places where people can have some longevity and feel comfortable inviting friends and family too. I mean, that's really what it comes down to. And so it was interesting how all of this happened. I mean, if you'd have told me we'd be doing this right now 4 weeks ago, I probably would have told you I don't think there's a company out there that's going to be able to deliver what we want exactly. So it's been a fast 3 weeks. I guess we're just on, right? We're just on 3 weeks. It's been a fast 3 weeks. We've gotten so many things done, and there's so many more things that are going to be delivered that you guys are going to see. I'm excited about the event tonight. I mean, this is what we needed to see. We believed it because we're all. I mean, the group, the core group that's here is all here because of relationships and because of people who know people, who trust people, who know people. But to get on here tonight and to be able to see the operation, and I understand for Edwin and Waskar and the traders. I think it's John, right? I think his name is John. We understand. I mean, at least I understand, and I hope you guys all understand that what we're seeing is still the tip of the iceberg. Like, what we got a chance to see tonight is that piece of the iceberg that sits over the ocean. There's so much more under the water that this company brings as far as technology and algorithms and the traders' experience that we're going to see unfold here over the next couple of weeks. Guys, we're excited. But listen, I'm not on here to talk about me. All of you guys know me. I want to introduce, so Martin and I don't know each other very long, and I'm going to let Martin pronounce his last name because I'm looking at it and it's really long. And so Martin and I met through another colleague of mine, AQ, who's just another great networker. Very excited about the business. In fact, Martin is in Poland. Marcin, sorry, is it Marcin or Martin?
Its proper name is Marcin in Polish language.
Marcin. So Marcin messaged me, and this was last minute. He messaged me at 11:30, so that was about 40 minutes ago, and he said, guys, we have a winner here. CFX Group is on fire. Let me know about the Zoom call. I said, oh, you're on the live? He said, I've been watching since 3 a.m. in Poland. So Marcin, the floor is all yours. Share with us a little bit about what you saw today and your excitement, and we're happy that you're on board, my friend.
Cheers, Justin. Hi, guys. Hi, everyone. So basically, it's now 6:11 in Poland. So I've been shown FX Cash FX Group project about a week and a half ago. I was on holiday. So I thought, I'm just gonna put it up there, I'm gonna look at it afterwards. I've come back Friday last week. And when I've watched the presentation, I thought, oh, okay, I think we've got the project I was looking for. I've got the project when there's a transparency, because obviously, like Justin just said, most of the project, obviously the mindset in the leaders is now, we get it in early, we coming out after 3-4 months, but obviously it's very difficult to build such a projects, because basically there will be some people which are going to lose money in those projects. And obviously for me and for my team, the key is to secure their money. Obviously we don't want any more losses. We don't want projects where people losing money. And obviously what we've seen here with the transparency, obviously I was waiting for that live streaming. I set my alarm at 2:45 a.m. so to secure my spot in a Zoom call, because obviously Justin was saying, there will be so many people in there, we might not get in, so, and obviously I've got leaders watching it as well. We've got Zoom call tomorrow, and obviously I want to put Poland on fire with that project, because obviously it's looking incredible, and what the guys just shown us with the trading, it's unbelievable, and obviously that's what we're looking for, because I don't know another project which shows such a transparency as you guys. So thank you very much for that opportunity. Thank you, guys.
Well, thank you, Marcin, as I pronounce it well.
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you, and welcome. We thank you for your trust.
Spanish, right?
Spanish.
Oh yeah,
this is our co-founder, Edwin. John is one of our top leading traders there, and as you were saying, it's really nice to see there's how many people out there like you, Marcin, looking for some real opportunity out there. So we were one of those people looking for something that we could share, and I think God put us on a mission here to bless a lot of families, to contribute to the industry, to show a lot of platform, a lot of people out there that you can build and you can be an entrepreneur, and that you can do something real, with good intention, but for most of it, like also professional company, because it's not only to have good intentions, it's to put together the right people and put together the right structure 2 years to come and do the right things. So I'm looking forward, really looking forward with the Poland market. Justin talked a lot of stuff, good stuff about you guys. And well, any question or anything that you wanted to share beside that, or your mics, you're on our live event here for the whole world.
All right. Thank you. Obviously, it's all straightforward for me at the moment. Obviously, the project looks fantastic for me at the moment, and obviously what you guys delivering, it's looking very promising. And like you're saying, the longevity of the project, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the project, like you said, for 20 years, not for 2-3 months. So that's incredible.
Marcin, I know you've seen a lot of projects as I have. I mean, we get pitched every day. Especially in this MLM, Forex space. Have you ever seen anything like this?
No, never. It's the first company which show that the transparency. Before it was we doing trading, but we see in trading. It's incredible.
Yeah, and it's funny. We heard Edwin was talking in Spanish earlier.
Yes. Yes, please.
Español, por favor.
Eso es algo que todo el mundo está pidiendo. Translate it, please. We have Spanish audience here.
And it's funny, we were all listening because my wife is from Guatemala, and so I understand quite a bit of Spanish. And I heard him sneak out that FX book, and everybody's ears perked up.
But excuse me, guys, you're just going to have an opportunity. I don't know how many times it's going to happen, that you'll be able to see the faces of, some of our guys here. Move my face out of the way now.
We got Ildo, Javier, we got Ronald, we got a team of people that are extraordinary. Thank you guys really for showing up here on camera with our friend Martin, Justin, Ron, and everyone there. Just, well, I have no words for you guys that when everyone is able to share with you, I think everybody will jump. I think you're gonna need bodyguards because people
We're in the bunker.
people want to
Bunker right
jump
now,
when
you
you
know?
say, "Oh my God, I love you guys."
In the bunker.
I see Justin has the body for that.
Yeah.
That's Ron's category. We're gonna hire his son.
Oh, wow.
In Spanish,
That's a good one. That's a good one. Yo estoy diciendo que yo voy a necesitar guardaespaldas, Eden. Cuando salga, la gente le va a volar arriba. Oh, Dios mío, te amo. Ronald, Hildo. Wow.
Listen, I remember Waskar said this was probably about 2 weeks ago, and maybe I mean I've lost track. The last 3 weeks feel like they've just kind of run together. And when he was talking about setting up this event, and I'll just give some kudos to the trading team. You know, I says, man, live event. You know, I hope we can get in some good trades. And he said, hope. Yeah, that's what
Yes,
I
was there.
You remember, Ron? You remember, Ron?
There was no doubt in his mind whatsoever. So no pressure on the trade team there. Thank you.
No pressure on the trade team
for everybody.
Well, thank you guys. Thank you.
We're very excited, guys. You know, I personally tried to trade Forex, and I say tried because I did it for about a year, and I followed some training, and you know, I had some really good days and a whole bunch of bad ones. And to be able to leverage your guys' skill set, you know, to not have to just be able to leverage the technology that the company has in place. And after tonight, and then more of these live events, I think people are really going to start to see it. Like Waskar says, man, people are so trained on seeing scam after scam after scam that when they see something real, it's hard for them to identify. And so you have this group of believers that have come on here in this early stage, which I believe after this event is only going to start to explode. And I mean, the next event, we're going to have thousands of people on and tens of thousands. And I'm just excited. I'm honored to be on here. I'm glad I said yes, Ron. I'm glad you put me on the phone with Waskar. And for all those of you that are watching, and we have a big team. For all those of you that are watching, there should be no more hesitation. It's go time.
Exactly, guys. Look at it. You know, show me another project where you've got an entire team coming to the live event. You know, in trade, we see CEO, we see Ron Pope supporting the project. We've got all the traders. You know, yes, I think that's more than enough.
That's one of the things, guys, that this is a real people project. This is a real company with really professional behind it. People who have the experience, who show result for many months. And this is not invention. This is not like show. Is real, and this is the first event that we're really proud of, and then we're gonna keep seeing week after week more events live like this, so we can share with the world. I want to say something like about this group of people here in this room. I spend like days without sleeping after see what this guy's doing. I'm very proud, and I'm very humble and grateful to have this friendship with this group of people. which are really special people, talented, and with a gift. I think the gift these guys have, and the strategy they have, the knowledge they have, it comes from God. Because if you look at them, they are not ears traders. They don't have like lots of time dealing with trading. This is the process they've been through, the really hard dedication, passion, a commitment to this work they do. So I think, and I shared a couple of times, that what this company have with this strategy, with this group of people, it doesn't exist out there. No one has it. And they are very humble. They are very unique people. And then I know that we're gonna change the world. We're gonna change the industry through this group of people, through this professional behind this company. So I'm very blessed. I really thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. My family and thousands of family are gonna be really blessed for the work that you're doing. So I'm really excited here, guys. I don't want to cry, but I am really
Don't cry,
really
man. Don't cry. Don't cry. We know what you mean. Don't cry. Don't
We know
cry.
that.
Don't cry.
Thank you.
Don't cry.
We're humble. We're humble. We're honored. We're
Hold
honored.
on, Espanol.
This is a conference that's been
Español.
waiting to happen for a really, really, really long time. And you know, when the time is right, it happens. Nobody can stop it.
That's right.
So it's really, really not, you know, anything else but just, you know, the way some people say God, some people say the universe, but it's how it all comes together. You know, I just want to take this opportunity to really, you know, give a shout out to, you know, the guys from Poland and Justin. I've been looking at you guys on Facebook, and Mr. Pope also. You know, it's a great, great, great job you guys are doing out there also. So it's not only us, you know, we're humble, like our brother, good friend, Mr. Lopez just said, and you know, we're going to stay that way. You know, if you know us, you know us. If you don't know us, you might not even know us, because we're just, you know, your everyday guy in the neighborhood. You know, I chop the grass in my yard. You know, that's it. We're just like that. So
Yeah.
and I know I'm speaking for, you know, all the other guys here. You know, so that's it, guys.
¿Y en español?
No, it's the money is not an issue, guys. Here is not the purpose of it. I know it's really important. The money, we can help a lot of people. We can do a lot of stuff with money, but the purpose is higher, and you show that with humble, very humble. And just I pray to God every day to keep me humble, and no matter success, no matter what we achieve, I know that we're gonna do great stuff together. And all of you, all the ones that are watching, they're joining and being like one of the first 1,000 people joining the company, you know, in the early stage. We together, we can change the world, doing some serious work here and helping others. So that is the message, the most important message that we need to send out there. Okay, there is always negative people. There's always are gonna be challenges, but if we come together and we have the right purpose, we can be greater than that. So also, I don't want to let the opportunity in this group of people here to thank the work and leadership that Justin brought in. Ron Pote, no word for you guys. My friend has been doing like extra hours. We work like, I don't know, 18 hours a day, every day, putting together everything.
That's true, because every time I log in, I see their WhatsApp. It says last viewed 5:45 a.m. every day.
I think we're sleeping like 2 or 3 hours, Justin.
I know.
Just 2 or 3 hours. And Edwin, from their end, you know, is leaving his family behind, kids, wife, you know, traveling, committed to this project. Uh, uh, this group of people, like a lot of people involved that I cannot like start mentioning, but I think this is one of the first event that we're gonna have. We're gonna tune in. The technical team behind this event tonight, you can see all together, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 camera, you know, on here on social media is great, you know. So this team, this marketing team of the company is doing awesome also. So guys, Ildo, do you want to say something? Share with the world, the professor, you know, say something here on this live event.
Hello guys. I'm Hildo. So you call me professor. You call me. You come down to Curacao to look for I always say that, a padrino, a guru, a godfather. You say that? Remember that? But,
yeah, I do.
Yes, because you know, this is a very great effort, but it's not. It's of all of us, you know. So and we are very, very, very grateful for having such, you know, something. I mean, just simple. Just what we did. We just put, we say, let's trading on that market on a next level. That's what we did, you know. So in fact, and that's great, and that's something very unique and it's very simple, but we did it. So we have the code.
Thank you. You break the code, my friend. You all did.
Yes.
Y en español, ¿para cuándo?
Destruimos el código.
Sí.
Guys, what he's saying, that he break the code and they all did, they did it. They actually did break the code. So this is one of the things that we are sharing today, because these are the faces behind the strategies, and combined with the technology and the leadership that Edwin has brought in to the Forex expertise, you know, some technical stuff, and the relationship that we established with the brokers and everything. I think this combination is going to be magical out there. So thank you very much, guys.
Okay. Thank you too.
Thank you, guys.
Okay, so pretty much we have a few more guesses. I don't know if you want to share something else en español, por favor.
Por fin.
Edwin, you want to say something in Spanish?
Empapiamiento.
Empapiamiento, dicen aquí. No, solamente decirle que Dios es bueno. Es todo lo que puedo decir. God is good.
In English, wow, that's awesome, man.
Sin Él, nada de lo que estamos haciendo se podrían hacer. De verdad que estamos muy agradecidos del Señor. Y sé que esta transmisión, muchos lo están viendo como algo grande. ¿Se lo puede traducir?
Everything that we got, Edwin says, is come from God. And I know this broadcast is the first one. A lot of people are looking at like something big.
Pero realmente esto es normal.
But I'm gonna be frank with you. This is normal.
Eso es lo que vamos a ver, o lo que todo el mundo va a ver de lunes a viernes, 24 horas al día.
It's where everybody's gonna see from Monday to Friday, 24 hours a day with our company.
Para nosotros, lo que está pasando hoy es el común denominador de todos los días.
For us, is what is happening is like the common daily, you know, like the regular stuff.
Así que no es que no nos sorprende ni deja de emocionarnos, pero lo que le queremos decir con esto es que preparen su mente, preparen su corazón para ver esto en aumento días tras días.
What I'm trying to say is you need to prepare your mind and your hearts for every day to be impact of what you're going to see and the level that you're going to see.
Así que concluyo mi mensaje con lo que dije al principio. God is good.
No, I don't have to translate that.
All the time, he's good.
In all time, that's correct. Thank you very much, Edwin. This is the message that we know that it comes from heaven, and we're gonna be amazed every day.